Hey guys, Fortnite Chapter 7 crashing a lot, let's fix it. So the first step is to switch your rendering mode to DX12 or performance mode. Okay, so for that you're going to hold Windows R on your keyboard, okay? And here you're going to type in shift percentage local app data and then 5. So percentage local app data percentage enter. Here search Fortnite game, go into there, saved, config, and here you can see Windows client. Okay, here you're going to right click on the game user settings, go into properties, and make sure read only is unticked. Okay, so untick it, apply, okay, and then close this and launch the game. Okay guys, so in game under your display, okay, your rendering mode, if it's in DX11, okay, DirectX 11, you can switch up to performance mode or DX12. Okay, so performance mode gives you more FPS in DX12, and DX12 is just basic. It's a bit more demanding, so I'll recommend this for higher end PCs. If you have a low end PC, just switch to performance mode and try to launch the game and play the game and see if it crashes. If not, let's move on to fix number 2. Okay guys, so for fix number 2, you're going to verify your integrity of the game files. So click on these 3 dots right here, then go into manage. Okay, in manage, here you can see verify files. Just click on verify and it should start verifying the files. Okay, so once that is done and every file is verified, you can launch the game and test it out. If it doesn't work, let's move on to fix number 3. Okay guys, so for fix number 3, you're going to clear your DirectX shader cache. Okay, so for that, click on the Windows icon right here and search for disk cleanup right here. Okay, and then click on your C drive, click OK, and here you're going to see something called DirectX shader cache. Click on that and you can untick everything else right there. Okay, make sure only your shader cache is selected and then click on clean up system files. This is going to remove most of the shaden cache settings of your GPU. So the first 3 games of your Fortnite will stutter a bit, but after that it should catch up because the first 3 games is where the shader cache builds up back. So you can, after that is settled, you can go into your Fortnite game, launch it and try it. If it still crashes, we can move on to fix number 4. Okay guys, so for fix number 4 is quite simple. You're going to click Windows R on your keyboard, and in this run dialog right here, you're going to type in percentage local app data percentage. Okay, then click on OK. This will open your local app data folder and you're going to search for Fortnite games. Okay, so just click on that and delete that folder. Okay, that is all your cache, your game settings files and everything. So once that is deleted and you open Fortnite again, it should rebuild everything from scratch, allowing you to have like a newer experience and reduce, hopefully eliminating the crashes. So that's all for the 4th fix. Let's move on to the 5th fix if it didn't fix it. Okay guys, so for the final fix will be to update your graphics drivers. Okay, so for my graphics driver, okay, I have AMD graphics card, which is a 6700 XT. If you have NVIDIA, you're going to click on your Windows button, search for NVIDIA, and if you have an AMD, just search for AMD. Okay, my bad. And the Adrenaline software should pop up. Open that. Okay, and here we are going to go into our home here, and you can see here in driver and software, make sure it says the current version, and if there's any updates here, just install it and make sure it's the latest driver. Okay, so for NVIDIA, you need your GeForce Experience. Make sure to use that application and search whether you are at your latest drivers, and if not, you can even go onto your browser and search your graphics card and see whether you have the latest driver version or not. So that's it for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, check out the video on screen for another common fix, and do consider subscribing